In this video, I'm going to show you how to change tempo in Reaper. Now, if you want to do a global change, all you have to do is go to the kind of bottom right over here of your tracks, and you can see this number over here. So when you go and hover over it, it says tempo at edit cursor, and you can just basically click in here and you can change your tempo. So if I do from 120 to 140 and click out here, as you can see, tempo has been globally changed. You could also go and tap. If you hover here, you can tap your tempo. So you can just tap in tempo and it's going to go and of course change your tempo according to this. That's also very possible. But if you actually want to go and be more detailed, you could also go and make gradual or localized changes. You can place your cursor at the target location and press Shift plus C on your keyboard, which is going to put on a tempo or time signature marker, and you can just go ahead and set the tempo, hit OK, and it's going to give you a marker from there. Okay, so that's essentially how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.